Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you've subscribed, a big thumbs up to you. If not, there's some subscribe button somewhere and a little bell for notifications. This is a quick little Sunday vlog. We're going to pop out to Sainsbury's and Homebase in search of treasures and stuff. So we shall see if we come back with anything. Bye. We're now back from a little shopping excursion. We went into Homebase, and that was just a little bit before where all the plants were. We have bought some plants, or we, my wife, over there, not in camera shot. And we bought some dahlias, and we bought some, what else did we get? Petunias, she's whispering to me, and something else. What? Who? Oh, chrysanthemums. What? Hey? Who? Going deaf in that ear. Chrysanthemums. So we've got those plants, but I won't show you them, but they're plants. And then we bought a little barbecue. So I'm going to say, look at this barbecue. And yes, it's a little mini barbecue, so we can have some mini burgers, but probably big burgers. Yeah, so look at the barbecue. These are little goodies that we got for a little barbecue. It's a very small barbecue, but it's going to be enough for me and my wife because we only have two of us. We only have a burger and a hot dog, really, or a couple of burgers and hot dogs. So that's all we need it for, really. So you've got the barbecue there, a little small one, which we'll unbox in a minute. We've got some fire starters there. We've got some utensils there, spatulas and all that. People think like, you know, you use that to swap over the barbecue, burgers and that, but no, what you do is when your beef burger's been a bit overcooked and it's like burnt to a cinder, you pick up that and you say it's all gone a bit Pete Tong, which is Cockney rhyming slang for any of my American followers. Right, here's our little barbecue that's come from Homebase. It's very small, very dinky, but it's enough for us to cook a couple of burgers or a couple of hot dogs on. Little lid comes up there. That's your little bit to cook your burgers and whatnot on. There's a little bit inside there which is you can lift that up there, so you can take that off. And then in there, that's where you put all your charcoal. If anybody wants a little barbecue that's, you know, just big enough for one or even big enough for two, it's a bargain because it comes from Homebase. And it was £15, so not a bad little price, and we can't wait to try it out, really. We've also got some ice cubes all ready for our drinks, and within that lot, can you spot the hidden Mickey? Can you spot it? There's probably more than one in there, but can you spot the hidden Mickey? And then in Sainsbury's, I then sort of went up and down looking for an England shirt, thinking there might be one on cheap, since we're through to the semis. couldn't find anything in there really. They had a few shirts in there, but they only had extra large, and that's not me, extra large, so I didn't bother. But then it probably would have been, if I had bought it, 15 quid, which is not a bad price for a t-shirt. But then chances are we might get knocked out next round. Well, we're not going to get knocked out because we're make it to the final. So what did I buy instead? I went down the DVD aisle and I bought, if I can grab it, it's on the floor, I bought that, UFO. This is a show from, let me read it on the back, it says, I know it's from the 70s. Oh, it's from the 70s, but this show is set in the year 1980, so that's still in the past, but then it was in the future. And it's involving the secret, top secret development Shadow, Supreme Headquarters Alien Defense Organisation. So basically it's a live action film series done by Jerry Anderson, get it right in a minute, Jerry Anderson. Jerry Anderson is well known for doing the Thunderbirds, Captain Scarlet, Joe 90. My favourite Jerry Anderson thing is Space 1999. Absolutely love Space 1999. Met a few of the cast, got a lot of the autographs for that, and it's such a good series that had to be bought on Blu-ray, whereas this one here is bought on DVD. But it's sort of, similar. It'd be interesting. There's a woman with purple hair. Perhaps I should go purple, I don't know. And that's the end of what we bought today. So have a good weekend, whatever you're doing, or if you're past the weekend, which on Monday, have a nice week. Bye bye.